Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a sales strategy with Salesforce, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy a sales strategy with Salesforce, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Sales tab on the main dashboard. Under the Sales tab, click on Opportunities. Here, you can create a new opportunity by clicking on the New button. Fill in the required details, including the opportunity name, amount, and close date. Assign the opportunity to the relevant sales representative. Next, set up your sales stages by clicking on Sales Processes under the Setup menu. Create or customize the sales stages that will reflect your sales strategy. Once you have defined the stages, return to the opportunity record. Select the appropriate sales stage for each opportunity to track their progress. To enhance your sales strategy, build customized reports by navigating to the Reports tab. Click New Report and select Opportunities as your report type. Add filters and fields that align with your strategic goals. Save and run the report to analyze your sales data. Next, set up automation workflows by going to the Workflow Rules in the Setup menu. Create a new rule that triggers actions based on specific opportunity criteria. You can automate notifications or task assignments to your sales team. Utilize Salesforce dashboards to visualize your sales performance. Click on the Dashboards tab and create a new dashboard that showcases key metrics. Add relevant components such as charts and graphs to reflect your sales data. Regularly review and update your sales strategy based on the insights gained from your reports and dashboards. Conduct training sessions for your sales team to ensure everyone understands the new processes. This will help in seamless adoption of the sales strategy within your team. Finally, schedule regular review meetings to discuss progress and any necessary adjustments to your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.